Are you still looking at me? Are you still looking at me?
Hey guys, the secret hacker is here with a tutorial on Tor browser. What is Tor browser? Tor browser is a free software used to stay anonymous on the internet, and now the question arises. Why to use Tor? Tor can be used to access content blocked by your country or used to bypass survey, and many more purposes are there of Tor. So how to use Tor? Just open your browser and search for Tor. So just click on the first website. This is the Tor official website. And now click on Download Tor browser. And after downloading is finished, just open the exe file. And just extract the files anywhere you want. And now just select Run Tor browser. And now just simply click on Connect. After that, just wait for some time for a browser to pop up. The browser shows that you're connected to the Tor network and you can do anything in the browser. If you just click on the green onion symbol at the top, you can see the Tor network, and if you click on the new Tor circuit for this site, your IP address gets changed and you can do it as many times as you want. You can also, the city and country also gets changed, so it helps to stay anonymous as no one can trace your location. Stay tuned with the channel for new hacking tutorials. Thanks for watching. Please like and share.